Hey
Hi guys, I'm Megan
and I'm Matthew.
and we are
Megan
Matt. Today we're busy making slime, fluffy slime to be correct.
Hello, and we're going to be making slime.
Before we get started, we're going to need to show you all of the ingredients you need to make fluffy slime. A mixing bowl,
A spoon,
shaving foam,
PVA glue,
baking soda,
some eye solution,
food colouring,
and some glitter.
and don't forget your measuring spoon.
But we need to move all this mess out of the way.
True.
So what's our first ingredient?
I think it's shaving foam.
Yeah.
Okay, let's add it in.
Next we need half a cup of glue. So next we need half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Next we need 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution.
We learn. So now we're just going to mix it in and see what happens. Oh my gosh, it's actually forming. Now it's time to whip. Hard work.
Yep.
So now we've chosen our food colouring.
Yeah.
So I've chosen baby pink.
I've chosen baby blue. Use two spoons and use the back to dip it in. I personally think the less you use, the lighter it will be, or the more you use, the darker it will be. Okay. Put that, lean it on here. Let's do more mixing then.
Oh, mixing.
Sadly. I think ours are nearly ready. Should we start going in with our hands?
Yeah. I'm just going to try and take. Oh, no, you don't have to take the spoon. I'm not going to take it out yet because mine's still.
This is actually really good. For a first slime without anything, it's really
We just need to get this ready. I don't want to put it on the table because normally they put it on the table. They just say why is it slime?
fair, I think that shaving foam is the messiest.
And there you go. To make your own fluffy slime. Comment down below who you think slime is better.
Hashtag blue.
Or hashtag pink.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, click subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll be posting another video shortly. Bye!